Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to save PDFs as JPEG. To save a PDF as JPEG using Chrome, you need to either use a third-party tool or convert it manually. Here's how you can do it. First method is using online converter. Open Google Chrome and in the Chrome search bar type in PDF to JPEG converter and press enter. Popular option including small PDF, PDF to JPG, I love PDF are the options you can explore. Upload the PDF file once you have chosen a converter. Click choose file or upload file to select the PDF file you want to convert from your computer. Convert PDF to JPG. Upload. After uploading, click on the convert button. The tool will process the PDF and convert it into one more JPG image. Download the JPG. Once the conversion is completed, download the JPG file to your computer. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.